Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dishes. This is Chef Ricardo cooking show, the amazing show. Anyway, today on the menu we cook you some nice lovely Jamaican carrot rice. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel. The carrot rice can serve with anything you like. You can go with some stewed chicken, fried chicken, curry chicken, whatever you like, you can serve it with it. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below. And if you didn't know how to cook the carrot rice, you can cook it in your cooker and just grate some carrot and add it to it, and it cooked down and it's nice. Carrot is good for you because it helps balance with the rice, and it's good for your eyesight also. See you next time. Bye bye. Yes, welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Basically someone requests some carrot rice from Chef Ricardo, and I decided to do it today. Inside of this little pot right here, I just wash off 3 cups of rice, and my rice is basmati rice. You can use brown rice or your favorite rice, black rice, yellow rice, whatever rice you like to use is up to you. So what I'm using, basmati, which is very easy to cook. So right inside of this pot, I have 3 cups and I already washed it off. As you can see, a little bit of water still inside of the bottom of it. Right here, I just grated 4 carrots, but I'm not going to use the 4 carrot. Just to make it clarify, the part of the carrot which you also can use, the part of the grater is this side. This side is better because it gets more rough. Some people might use this side, but I only use this side of the grater. So as you can see, this is the carrot which I just grated. This is the rice. So all I'm going to do is put 1 handful, 1.5 handful of carrot inside of it like this, and just give it a mix. Alright, so it's carrot rice. So yeah. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put some water inside of the pot like this. Just like that. You don't want to put too much water because basmati rice is very easy to cook, and you don't want to put too much water. So what I did is just put a little bit of water inside of it, roughly about 1.5 cups of water to 2 cups. I didn't measure. Roughly 1.5 cups of water. All I need to do is just make the water a little bit over the rice. Not too much, because you don't want your rice to be soft and plucker. You just need it to be cooked and nice. Alright? You can add a pinch of salt if you like. If not, you don't need to add salt if you're allergic to salt. So basically what we're going to do now is put it on the stove. Part 2. Nice. So, right here on the stove, give it a little stir. Simple. Pop a little bit of olive oil, not too much. And all you're going to do is cover it like this on a medium size heat and leave it to cook for 12 minutes. If you have a rice cooker at home, you can use the rice cooker. Even better for your carrot rice. Just like when you cook your rice at home, all you need to do is just grate some carrot and add it to it, and it come out really nice and fantastic. Carrot rice from Chef Ricardo today. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So this is the rice right here, guys. That is fantastic, beautiful and nice. As you can see, the carrot rice. You can notice I didn't add any more water, anything to it. I just put it on the stove and cook it just as it, guys. It is fantastic, beautiful. So this is carrot rice, and as you can see, today we show you how to cook carrot rice. A lot of people love carrots, and carrot is good for your eyesight. So hopefully this will be a benefit to someone. And as you can see, it looking lovely, and this is finished, and you can share that with anything. Look at that. That is fantastic, guys. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe the channel, and this is volume 1 of how to cook Jamaican carrot rice. So thank you so much, guys, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Guys, so when you're cooking the carrot rice, remember you can cook it in your rice cooker at home. It's more easier for you guys to angle it in the rice cooker because a lot of people use a lot of rice cooker. If you're cooking on the stove, it will take roughly about 15 minutes and on a medium size heat. So prepare on the stove very good. Don't burn up your rice and say you didn't know what Chef Ricardo doing. Same like when you cook your rice at home, is no different. Just grate some carrot and add to it. It's good for your eyesight. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.